How to create a landing page with Canva. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a clean, professional-looking landing page using Canva. No coding skills needed, no fancy tools, just simple drag and drop design that anyone can do. So make sure you stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type in landing page. After typing that in, you'll see a huge variety of landing page templates. Literally over 30,000 options you can choose from. Now that's a lot to go through. What you choose will really depend on your purpose. Are you trying to build a simple informational landing page? A product launch page? A mini website for your business? Canva gives you full flexibility, so just pick something that fits your style and message. For this video, I'm going to choose a basic but clean and modern template just so I can show you the process. You're free to scroll down and choose any one that matches your brand or aesthetic. Once you've found the one you like, just click Customize this template. This will take you into the Canva editor, the place where all the magic happens. Now, editing a landing page in Canva is super intuitive. If you've ever edited a poster, Instagram post, or flyer in Canva, this will feel very familiar. You can click on any text to change it, drag and drop elements, resize images, or even replace them entirely. Let's say I'm building a personal brand landing page. I'll go ahead and click on the main heading and change it. Then I'll click below that and type in something like describe what I offer. To fine-tune the look, I'll select the text and adjust the font size so it fits better. All your basic text editing tools are right above. Change font size, color, bold, italics, underline, spacing, and alignment. You can also move any text or element around the page by simply dragging it. Canva gives you those guiding lines to help center and align things properly. Now I'll highlight Search-Based Method, shrink the size so it stays on one line, and then change its font to something more sleek, maybe Montserrat or something that aligns with my branding. And that's how you start editing your landing page. From here, you can continue to build your page by adding buttons, icons, social links, videos, or anything else you want. So once you've customized your main text, feel free to play around with it as much as you want. Honestly, this is where you can really make the page reflect your brand. I'll admit, I'm not a typography expert, but this setup is looking pretty clean to me so far. Now that we've got the heading area done, let's scroll down to this next text section. Same thing here. You can click on it and change it to say whatever you need. Whether it's an intro, product info, or a brand description, just make it your own. This template also includes an image, and Canva gives you full control over how you want to handle it. Whether it's a Canva-provided photo or one you've uploaded, you can do a lot here, like adjust brightness, contrast, apply filters, or even add smart mockups to make your landing page look more polished. Now, let's say you want to completely replace the image with your own. That's super easy. Just click the image and hit backspace or delete on your keyboard. It's gone. From there, go over to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. This is where you can upload your own images, media, or even short video clips. I've already uploaded a photo of myself, so I'll just click and drag that into place. As I move it around, Canva automatically shows guides and snaps the image into alignment, which makes it really easy to center things properly on the page. Now let's talk about this button element at the bottom. Maybe you want to change what it says or reposition it, no problem. If you try resizing the button directly, it'll only stretch the shape, not the text inside it. So here's what to do. Click on the text, then hold Shift, and while still holding Shift, click the rectangle behind it. Now with both selected, right-click and choose Group. Once they're grouped together, you can move or resize the entire button as one unit. I'll drag this button down a bit, and just like that, we've made some great progress customizing this landing page to match your personal brand or product. So let's say you're building this for your YouTube channel, but you might be linking to a product, a video, or even a social media profile. That's the beauty of Canva. You can link to anything you want. Once I've resized and grouped the button, I'll click on the three dots in the toolbar and choose Link. You can paste in any URL here. If you have a PayPal checkout page, a YouTube video, or your social link, drop it right there. Now this button, labeled subscribe in our case, will take users to wherever we want. Ideally, you'd link this to your YouTube subscribe page. You can upload your own media easily by clicking Uploads, or pull assets directly from Canva's library. Whether you're building a single-page landing site or a multi-page YouTube channel hub, the key is to keep your branding consistent. Add as many sections or features as you need. Images, text, video embeds, it's all drag and drop simple. Now, a quick tip. Choose a professional template with multiple built-in elements. That way, all you have to do is swap things out with your own content instead of building from scratch. Once your site is coming together, click on the Share button. After that, click on See All. This menu will appear. Click on Present, then go for Present Full Screen. You can see how it looks on desktop and mobile. This is important because most traffic comes from phones, so make sure it looks clean and functional on mobile. Once you are happy with the design, it is the time to publish it. To publish it, go back to Canva Editing Dashboard. Move your cursor to the Share button. Then click on See All. Here select Website. You can also edit the URL and write a description that shows up in Google searches. Scroll to Advanced Settings to control visibility in search engines and enable password protection if you need it. Make sure the name and thumbnail reflect your channel brand. Once that's done, click Publish and Canva will upload your website for free. Your new link will look something like yourname.mi.canva.site. And that's it. You've just created a sleek landing page using nothing but Canva. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Guide for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.